just finished getting ready. I'm gonna go to the park and meet up with Brianna so that way we can journal together. I want to show you guys what I'm bringing. This is pretty much all of my journaling necessities. Obviously, number one, my journal. I already kind of put some stuff in here for September. And then I have all my boxes. This is the first box. This has all of like my little stickers and little decorative stuff. And in this box is all of like the papers. Also bringing my markers and my colored pencils. That's everything that I'm bringing. Okay, let's load this up and then we're gonna head out. Oh, yours is coming out cute already. Thank you. My hair is still wet from last night. I'm gonna show you guys my favorite breakfast that I've been having 3 days in a row already. I had something similar to this in LA. Hash brown tostadas, a couple tomatoes. I've been so addicted to smoked salmon. I got this one from Costco. My goodness. This stuff tastes like bacon. Like it tastes like bacon fat. I plan on making a what I eat in a week next week because I have so many like new food combinations that I've been liking. This one, an egg. Oh my goodness. And this has been like my favorite breakfast so far. This looks so amazing. That looks really good. Coloring time! I already started this and it came out so adorable. I think this might be my favorite page that I've done so far. I'm in a like creative mood today for some reason. I think I want to start Gilmore Girls again for like the 3rd time. October 1st is coming up soon. I think in 2 or 3 days. And Gilmore Girls is such like a fall show. These shelves blue and I don't really like it. I think I'm going to make them brown. I'm scared. I don't want to end up messing this up because I really like this one. That looks way better. Okay, this is all I have so far, but I'm really liking it. It's coming out so good. And then I'll finish this another time. I'm getting ready to go to Jazz right now. I tried filming a makeup tutorial yesterday, so all of my makeup is like right here on the window shield. I just want to do very little touch-ups. A little bit concealer. I'm gonna do a darker blush. I'm all ready for jazz now. This top is from CSB and the pink shorts are from Bow & Tea. I always want to record in jazz, but I always get so embarrassed because I feel like this camera is so big. So I'm bringing my baby camera and then I'll record some parts on this guy. I'm watching a little nighttime movie before bed. I actually don't remember watching Bambi ever. So let's see if my memory is refreshed.
Well. Come on. Wake up. We have company.
Good morning! I'm all ready because I have a secret little meeting today. I don't want to say what it's for yet because I feel like it's too soon, but it's something very, very, very exciting. I'm like super pink and girly today, which always gives me the most confidence. To an outside sunset movie in the vineyards, and I figured I'd bring like little pastries for a snack. This is considered an easy recipe, and it is easy, but knowing me, I'm probably gonna end up messing it up. Let's try to do cream cheese puff pastries with strawberries on them. For the filling, it's just cream cheese and powdered sugar. I think this is powdered sugar. We have the cream cheese. I don't really know how much powdered sugar. A little bit of vanilla extract. Not that much. Let's put this in the microwave. Now we assemble it. I've never made puff pastries before, so I really don't know how big they get. So this is the before. Hopefully they're spread out enough. Now we wait. I almost forgot the egg wash. Yeah, I think they're ready. Ooh, they look puffy. Oh my goodness, they look amazing. Definitely could have added more strawberries on all of them, but so cute. Oh, they look adorable.
Don't put too much.
It's okay. Ooh, yummy. I hope the filling is good.
It looks good.
I'm just just doing some touch-ups before I go. I just covered my blush up with some powder, so let's put it back on. My go-to lately that's been giving me like that sunset ombre effect are these two blushes right here, both from Glossier. Let's put the hair out of the way for this. I like to say I'm an OG Glossier fan. I used to be so obsessed with their Get Ready With Me and like morning YouTube videos. I love them so much. When I was 17 and I went to New York, my like sightseeing place was the Glossier store. I was freakishly obsessed with Glossier. Like I love their products. Because just look at how vibrant they are. And they blend so well. I love using a lighter color mixed with a darker shade. That's what creates like that pretty ombre kind of blush. I love that I can make different kind of color combos with the Glossier blushes. These are the original OG cloud paint blushes. Spark, Storm, and Dawn. I have 3 more new cloud paints. Soar, Black Cherry, and then Dawn again. The fact that these are not even all of the shades that they have is absolutely insane. The main thing I love about them is how well they blend. Okay, this lighting's a little bit better so you can actually see the color of the blush. These ones I never ever have to set with powder because it dries so well and it stays on for such a long time. They're still super glowy and shiny. I'm so happy that these are now my new babies. Makeup is done. Outfit is on. I've changed it to something a little bit more comfier. It's October 1st. It's not considered fall until October 1st. So now I can be happy to see all of the fall stuff coming in on my For You page and in the stores and stuff like that. I'm gonna be at dance all day today, so I'm packing my dance bag. I have yet to use this bag as a dance bag. Deodorant, taking my laptop because I have like an hour and a half break in between classes. Packing my electronic bag, headphones, charger, hard drive. My actual dance shoes are already in my car, so I'll put those in when I get to my car. I look like a mess, but heading back to dance. And I think we're ending early today at like 7:30, which is good.
Only if it has honey in it.
No, I hate honey.
I hate honey and I hate tea. I like honeycomb.
Honeycombs are good.
Honeycomb is
are
good.